Hello students, so today what we're going to start working on is surface area. So surface area is 3D shape. So you're going to think about objects you see in your everyday life. And the idea of surface area is you just take all the faces or the sides and you find their areas and then you add them together. And that's your total surface area. So what shape we're going to start working with today is called rectangular prisms. And these are things I feel that we see all day. We have bricks. I'm looking at a microwave. My favorite is a shoebox. And so that's kind of what we're going to start with today is a shoebox. So all of us have bought shoes in our life because we all have shoes every day on at school. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to act like this is a shoebox. So I think a shoebox would be like 9 inches by, let's see here, go back, would be like 13 inches, and maybe they're about 10 inches tall. So think of this as a shoebox. I know it's not perfect, but it's okay. And the idea is we need to find every single surface on the shoebox, find their areas, and then add it together. So if you're thinking of a shoebox, you know that this shape has 6 sides. So what we want to do is we want to find 6 areas and add all of them together. So let's get started. I'm going to start with this square right here. So when you find the area of that shape, you do the base times the height. So that'd be a 9 times 10. So I know that that's 90. So that is one side of my shape. So I'm going to come down here and write 90. But if you ever looked at a shoebox, you know that this front side and this back side over here are the same exact size. If I was to try to cover it with a piece of paper, it'd be the same size. So I'm really going to add 2 90s at the end because that's going to account for 2 of my sides. Next, I'm going to do this long side here, so kind of where the shoe sits. So this is going to be my base and my height, so 13 times 10. So 130. So that's this area right here. But then same idea, this area on the back side is also 130. So I'm going to have 2 130s down here. And if you're looking at this shape, you can see I have one more side left, and that would be this top side. But you don't see any numbers. So what you have to do is you have to remember that this 9 is also up here, and this 13 is also up here. So we got a 9 by 13. So 9 times 13 is 117. But once again, this top one and the bottom of my box are the same. So we'll add 2 of those together. Now to find my surface area, I just have to do this math. I have to add all of these numbers together. So when you add all those numbers together, you get 674. So that is going to be my total surface area. So I was saying this was in inches, so it'd be inches squared. So once again, that's our idea for today, is just finding the total surface area of these shapes. We're just going to start with rectangular prisms, but all other shapes have this same idea. Just find all your surfaces and add them all together.